So looking at the rear ABS speed sensor, that's for 2014 Toyota Sienna. Rear left or right, there the same locations. Trying to disconnect it, so get it off the car. Go up here, goes inside. Then you want to come over inside, so I'm trying to find it for a long while, looking all over. But all of that job is unnecessary. So all you could do is take off this molding, trim, seal, take this off. Might want to get this screw out, 10mm screw, and this thing start popping out. This slider, it might get on the way, this piece, but start taking this out, and the connectors are right there. So you can move this away, you can reach it and disconnect it with your hand. Simple as that, but you can't find it so far. There's no videos online how to do it, and you do have to take off this panel trim. So kinda stupid, which they could have ran it a little bit, put the connector like over here, would be much more convenient, but then you still have to run it. But yeah, just pull it away, and then when you're all done, just push it all back, bum 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 bum, clips all in, put the screw back in, put the seal in, and whatever else, this panel, this, whatever else you took apart.